Hey everybody, my name is Michael Thiel. I'm Vice President of Sales and Marketing at HaFSBX. I began my career 21 years ago in the bulk material handling industry. My background is chemical engineering, but I got to start by doing PLC and HMI programming, and everything I was doing was focused on automation. Automating batching systems, automating material handling systems. And one of my first memories, one of my first projects in my career was starting up a flour handling system in Canada. So I got to travel to site and got to be doing the PLC and HMI programming to make this flour system work. And it's the combination of being in the food industry and also in automation that gets me so excited. So my entire career has been spent in automation and also in the food industry, which brings me to my topic, which I'm so excited to be talking about, which is automation of material handling systems, batching systems, weighing systems in the food industry. The focus of my presentation is going to be on the lessons learned in automating weighing and batching systems in the food industry. And specifically what we're going to walk through is taking the top 10 benefits of an automated weighing and batching system, and we're going to look at the tried and true best technology over the last 20 years. So my career of 21 years, I'm going to be looking at all the things that I've worked on and the benefits of those automated weighing and batching systems. We're going to go through 10 reasons and all the technology that goes with it to realize those savings and realize those benefits in your factory. That'll be the first part of the presentation. Then the second part of the presentation is going to be looking at the future. Where is automation going with weighing and batching systems, both dry handling and liquid handling systems? So we're going to be looking to the future. Where's the industry going? How are we going to push it forward? And what are some of the exciting things that HaFSBX is working on? I'm going to be bringing that to you. And then we're going to talk about next steps. Where do we go from here? How do we further automate the material handling, the ingredient handling systems in your factory? And I'm going to be walking through all of those details in my presentation. I feel that the topic of automation for weighing and batching systems is more important now than ever for manufacturing plants, especially for the bakery industry. My goal is to help share with professionals in the bakery industry the tips of how do you automate a weighing and batching system. I think that the future is going to be incredibly important to be looking at all the ingredient handling systems. So not only bulk, also majors with super sack unloading, but then we also get into minors and micros ingredients and looking at how do we automate those systems, and then how do we also track all the information that we're gathering from those systems. That's going to be crucial for the success of bakers from this point moving forward, and I'm going to be helping share some of those insights at my presentation.